守株待兔. Once upon a time, there was a farmer who worked every day in his fields to grow crops so he can have enough food. One day, while he was working in the field, a rabbit suddenly ran by. The rabbit wasn't looking where it was going, and bang! It ran straight into a tree stump and fell over. The farmer was so excited. Wow! He thought, I didn't even have to work and I got a free dinner! From that day on, the farmer stopped farming. He didn't plant seeds or pull out weeds. He just sat by that tree stump every single day, waiting for another rabbit to run into it. He waited and waited and waited, but no other rabbit ever came. While he was waiting, his crops died and his field grew full of weeds. He learned the hard way that you can't rely on luck. You have to work hard for what you want. This is why the idiom 守株待兔, which literally means guarding a tree and waiting for a rabbit, is used to describe someone who sits around waiting for luck to happen instead of working hard. In other words, the story tells us that relying on miracles won't get you anywhere. You have to put in the effort. 这个故事告诉我们，努力才会有收获。Let's review some key vocabulary from the story. 农夫，兔子，树，等待，运气，努力。